guys, Steve Darnell here. We're at the WelderUp shop in Las Vegas. We've been building cars on TV for I think 4 or 5 seasons now. We've got a bunch of cool stuff coming up. I mean, if you check us out on our Instagram, which is WelderUp Vegas, you'll be able to see a lot more behind the scenes what's going on. But just a quick intro on who I am. I'm a native of here in Las Vegas. I was born here. I used to cruise the strip out here in my old truck. I had a 67 short box with a big block Buick motor in it back in the early 90s. And we used to cruise around and chase girls down there, and it was a good time. And was partially raised in Montana. So I had a life where I rodeoed actually for about 15 or 20 years. And you can see in the builds that I build, it's a little bit of Las Vegas, a little bit of Western. And I think one of my first, let's see, what was my first rat rod? I think I tore a lawnmower apart in my grandma's yard when I was about 7 years old and swore I was going to make a go-kart out of it. And I don't think it ever developed, but that was probably one of the first times I really started like getting it in my head like this is what I want to do. So, but here we are, 100 and some cars later I've built probably in my lifetime, and with a good crew here at WelderUp. And we're having a shop party today. We're inviting a bunch of our fans in and friends, and hopefully they come by and check them out and get inspired and go home and build something themselves. So anyway, thanks for coming.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
WelderUp, baby.